First tonight, a church in Maria Stein is in ruins after a massive fire.
Firefighters battled that blaze for hours before getting it under control, but not before the damage was done. 2 News reporter Evan Bales spent all day in Maria Stein and talked with officials and residents about this disaster.
The mood here is somber, to say the least. Right behind me are the remains of St. John the Baptist Church here in Maria Stein. Firefighters put out the last of the flames just before 8 o'clock, but over the afternoon, this parish has been decimated.
The roof's all totally gone.
Firefighters from nearly 20 departments battled the blaze at St. John the Baptist Church for hours after the initial 911 call came in just after 2:30.
When we arrived, we had fire running across the whole top of the church, of the roof.
Firefighters were initially sent inside to put the fire out, but quickly got out of there before
The roof is all fallen in, everything is down on the inside.
in a 135-year-old building, the structural integrity was a main concern. Just a few hours into them working to put the fire out, firefighters realized there was a problem. They didn't have a ladder truck tall enough to put a fire out just below the steeple, leaving it to collapse after being engulfed in more flames. Now, the community is left to grapple with losing an icon that's been standing for over a century.
Devastating, made me sick to my stomach just seeing our church. You know, never thought in my whole life I would see our church go up in flames like that.
Joyce had been attending the parish for 36 years, and I also talked to someone who'd been married in St. John the Baptist.
It'll be a big loss for the community, big time. Yeah. Inside of the church, we got pictures of it. It's really pretty.
At the time of the fire, the shingles for the main roof were being replaced, and when talking with fire officials, it's unclear right now what caused the fire to break out. Now, nobody was injured in the fire, and everybody that was on the roof and inside the church were evacuated. The local fire marshal is here on the scene working to determine what exactly started this fire. Reporting in Mercer County, Evan Bales, 2 News.